Magandang araw sa inyo mga boy, welcome back ulit sa ating channel at update lang tayo sa ating PBA team standings as of April 2, 2024. So nauna pa rin mga boy ang San Miguel Beerman with 3 wins and 0 losses. So sila pa lang yung walang talo ngayon sa All Filipino Cup. Pangalawa naman dyan ang NLEX Road Warriors with 4 wins and 1 loss. Pangatlo naman ang Northport Batang Pier with 3 wins and 1 loss. Tabla sila ng Barangay Ginebra sa 4th spot with 3 wins and 1 loss. Nakaiba lang sila sa win streak. So yung top 3 natin is 3 game winning streak sila. Okay. And then panglima naman dyan ang Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots with 1 win and 1 loss. Pang-anim naman ang Tira Firma Jeep with 3 and 2. Pang-pito naman ang Blackwater Bossing with 3 and 2. Tabla sila ng Tira Firma Jeep sa 6 and 7 spot. Nasa pangwalo naman ang TNT Tropang Giga with 2 wins and 2 losses. Habang nasa pangsyam na pwesto naman ang Meralco Bolts with 2 and 3 win-loss record. Pangsampu naman ang Meralco, rather ang Rain or Shine with 1 win and 4 losses. Tabla sila ng Phoenix LPG Fuel Masters 11th spot with 1 win and 4 losses. At nasa huli naman ng standings ang Converge Fiber Xers with 0 win and 5 losses. So, yan yung updated PBA team standings natin ngayon mga bay as of April 2, 2024. Yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood.